Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Excel, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Microsoft Excel application. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the user interface. Locate the ribbon at the top of the window, which contains various tabs. Click on the File tab to access the Backstage view. From here, select Options at the bottom of the menu. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. Under the General tab, you can customize settings such as the username and default file location. Navigate to the Formulas tab to adjust calculation options. Choose between automatic or manual calculation methods based on your preference. Next, head over to the Proofing section to set up spelling and grammar checks. In the Customize Ribbons section, you can add or remove tabs and commands from the ribbon. To add new commands, find them in the left column and use the Add button. You can also create custom tabs by clicking on New tab. Move to the Quick Access Toolbar section to personalize this toolbar for easy access. Add frequently used commands by selecting them and clicking Add. Next, check the Advanced tab for additional settings like cut, copy, and paste options. Adjust the display settings under Advanced to improve your viewing experience. For language preferences, go to the Language section in the main Excel Options dialog. Set your preferred editing and display languages as needed. Save your changes by clicking OK at the bottom of the dialog. Now, let's explore custom templates. Go to the File tab and select New. Choose a template that suits your project or create your own. To create a new template, format an Excel sheet as desired and then save it as a template file. Select Save As, choose Excel Template from the File Type dropdown, and give it a name. Next, let's set up conditional formatting to enhance data visualization. Highlight the data you want to format. Go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. Select a rule type that fits your data analysis needs, like highlight cell rules or data bars. Follow the prompts to complete your format. To navigate between sheets, use the tabs located at the bottom of the Excel window. Rename a sheet by right-clicking its tab and selecting Rename. For organizing your workbook, consider grouping sheets by related topics. Lastly, save your workbook frequently to avoid losing any progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.